big square tiles for the walls.
And every unicorn house needs lots of windows, so they can see all the pretty rainbows outside. Let's add some windows.
Let's make sure it has a super strong roof with these triangle pieces. Unicorns need a safe and cozy place to sleep.
Now that we have our house, we need a way for the unicorns to get around. I'm going to make a colorful road leading right up to the front door.
Perfect! And right next to the house, we need a beautiful garden where they can play.
Oh, but unicorns need a place to relax and have snacks. We should make some table and chairs for them. I'll use small square tiles for the tabletop and even smaller pieces for tiny chairs.
Our first unicorn has arrived at its new home. Welcome, Sparkle Hoof.
This is the most amazing, magical unicorn house ever. It has a lovely road, a pretty garden, and even furniture.
And it all started with one exciting gift. Magnetic tiles let you build anything you dream of.
We had so much fun building this. What will you build with your magnetic tiles? Happy building! Everyone, bye for now.
If you've liked this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more similar videos. Bye-bye for now. See you later.